Hi friends, welcome back to Google Tech. This is Gokul and today we are going to see an exciting video, part 2 video for the first time in our channel, which is because we have got a lot of views and more number of recommendations for this particular video, which is adding condition for our VBA message box. So this particular video is explaining about how to add a customized or giving condition to our message box and executing the program. And today part 2 of this video we are going to upgrade this particular code and see how to get numbers or values from the user to execute this program and make it more user friendly. Why? Because this program of part 1 which we have developed is having static value which is hard coded in our program, but now what we are going to do is we are going to upgrading it with inclusion of input box by giving comment in message box and ending there and in the end showing the results for the new values which is given by the user. Let's start and discuss briefly how this is going to work in this particular code. To give a brief about this particular video, this particular code, I'm just going to going to show you a quick run and show the difference between what is the have a quick run of this program and show you the difference what is happening in the code. First, I'm going to run this program and you can see it is asking you a prompt saying that you want to sum these values. If I give yes and I'm getting the answer here, your answer is 60. Why? Because we have the variable value of A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20 and C is equal to 30, which is 10 plus 20, 20 plus 30 is equal to 60. And I'm executing it again, and if I'm clicking no, it says you selected to opt out of this existing condition, which means we are not ready to give or not ready to accept the answer which is going to provided by the existing code. Click on OK. This ends the program very smoothly, run very fine without any flaw. But as an end user, I feel like instead of giving the number which is hard code, I want to give it in the new number, or else if you are developing a bigger program or multiple lines of code, if you want to change in between the lines, so that particular time what you have to do, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to change or touch this particular part of code because this is what is giving the exact answer of the existing value, but now I want to give the another answer of these same variables to get the answer. So I am going to customize this else portion alone so that you can able to get the desired result given by the end user. So I am going to comment on this particular line, this message box line, by giving a single apostrophe at the top, which doesn't execute while the program is running. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give another condition where my answer is equal answer 2, which is equal to message box of asking the answer, do you want to retry, do you want to retry or provide new values to the existing values. Ask a question, give comma is again a VB question plus, sorry I forgot to give the double quotes to end, plus VB. Here what I'm going to do is I'm going to use retry or cancel method, click comma, and this is again user selection 2, close the bracket. So what I have given is I am asking the user again, do you want to retry it with the new answer? Okay, you are saying you don't want the sum show the answers. Okay, do you want to give it with the other answers? If they give yes, it should take me to the new values, right? So what I'm going to give is I'm going to provide a new variable name. Let's consider it as a1 which is equal to input box. Do you remember in the initial discussion we have mentioned we are going to get the values from the user? So for that we need input box and enter the value, which value 1, right? And b1 is equal to again the same input box double quotes, enter the value 2, c1 is equal to enter the value 3, close the bracket. Now it will automatically enter the values if my answer is equal to there, because we have forgot to give the condition. Now I am going to give the condition, which is if my answer 2 is equal to VB retry. If it says okay, let's retry, then you have to give this value and sum this value. D1 is equal to A1 plus B1 plus C1, and in the message box again the same. Hey, your new value is double quotes, and give a double quotes, give a space, and add D1. Again it will be an information, and this is customized result. Else, if not, then yeah, you can just copy the same code over here, which is there in the message box, and end this if condition. All right, so we have successfully completed our code, and you can check. Okay, one if is starting here, and the end value of this is if is here, and if and end if is there. So perfectly we have provided the all the close opening and closing of the if conditions, all the loops, all the conditions. Now let's try what is going to happen, which is for the second part which we have already given. Let's run it step by step. Don't want that values, so automatically it's going to the L condition. It's taking the answer to. Okay, now it is asking me. Initially, if you see, it was EBB yes or no. It says yes or no. Now we have given the code to ask retry or cancel. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to retry it. So my answer is retry. So it is asking me the value. Enter the first value. My first value is 100. The second value is 200, and third value is 250. Let's sum this up. It should give me the value of Alright, we have done with our code. Let's run the code, execute. Let's execute the program, only the second part, which is VB no, and let's see this program is working fine or not. Let's run it step by step so that you can see this is asking me yes or no. Only these two options available on our message box. I'm selecting no and go back, and it is asking me, do you want to retry or provide the new values to the existing values? I'm going to click yes, which is retry. Now I'm going to give the values 100, 250. My third value is 550. Let's see what will be my going to be my answer. Hey, your new value is 900, which means 550 plus 250 plus 100 is equal to 900. And you can see our customized results is the header which we have provided. It is also visible. Let's click OK and end this program. So this is how we are going to get inputs from the user for the variables which is available in our program. through input box and display it with the help of message box. This is the customization of message box by including input box in VBA. If you have any queries in this particular video or previously watched videos, please reach out to us anytime. We are happy to assist you. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you have understood this video very clearly. Thanks for watching this video. We'll meet you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from Gokul Tech. Thank you. Have a great day.